I have a super cute card for you today using the Market Goodness stamp set and the coordinating dies, and then look at that darling paper. We're going to be using several different prints of the paper in the project today, and this card took me a little while to make, so this video is a little longer than usual, but I thought I would take you step by step through the project, and then I will also have a sped up video for you if you'd like to watch a shorter one as well. So as you can see, the first thing I did is I took the dies that match the different vegetables in that piece of designer series paper and I die cut them out. Now there were a few pieces in there, the peppers and that little turnip that didn't have a matching die, so I did cut those out by hand. And then I arranged them and used Scotch tape so that I could put them in the perfect arrangement to put into that basket. And that basket is also one of the die cuts. Now this is one of the stamps in the stamp set, and I just thought it would be fun to just kind of decorate the little edge of my piece of cardstock there. You'll be able to see that in the fun fold design. And I'm just stamping that on with the matching garden green ink. And then this is pecan pie cardstock, and we're going to put together the card base. Now I'm going to have all measurements and details for this card on my website. You can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com, and if you need to search, you can search Market Goodness and it should come up for you with the search bar. Now see how I'm going to use the different prints of the paper there and just kind of layer up this card. Now I'm going to stamp actually directly on this little banner piece, which looks really great when you use a dark color ink. And then I thought the front of that card on the left-hand side looked a little boring, and so I'm going to do some tone-on-tone stamping there with the little bunch of lettuce, and it just kind of makes a really cute little background. Now when you use the Versamark, it just looks like you're using the same color of ink except a little bit lighter version, and it just is perfect for backgrounds like this. Now see how I'm using the lettuce and it just makes a neat background? I really love this technique, and I feel like I just haven't done it very much lately, so I'm kind of bringing it back. Now that has a nice little background, and I think it looks way better. So we'll layer this card base up and we'll put on the little basket of vegetables, and then we will finish it. Now what I'm going to do here is show you a super cute technique with some of our really neat ribbon. Now this one is called the Center Stripe ribbon, and it is the pecan pie color. And all I've done is just cut a little piece, and then I just started picking it apart. And when you pick it apart, eventually you'll get little wisps of the ribbon there left, and it just kind of creates a neat little messy, pile of ribbon. And then I used the linen thread, and I just tied a little bow around, or actually a knot around it, and it just made a really neat little accent that I could add on the side of the basket. I thought it was super fun. I love playing with our ribbons. So hop on over to my website and you can check it all out at madetocreatewithlisa.com. Please like and share this post with others who love to craft. I would really appreciate your help with that. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll be back soon with more ideas.